Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 883 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I am going to be trying out this beautiful product right here. This is from WINKY LUX and it's the S'mores palette. So this is a contour and highlight face palette and I am so excited. So if you saw my recent vlog, I did a little PR unboxing, or I shouldn't even call it little, I did a PR unboxing that I got from WINKY LUX, and oh my gosh, my mind was blown with how many amazing products they sent me. So this was one of them. I just want to give you the disclaimer that this product was sent to me for free, but this is not a sponsored video. My reviews are completely honest. But so, oh my gosh, this looks so cute. First of all, I have to show you the packaging. Look at this, little s'mores details, but the packaging on all WINKY LUX products is so adorable. It's cruelty-free, paraben-free, gluten-free. The packaging inside the box is just as adorable. And it says that this can be used on face, body, and eyes, and that it smells like graham cracker. I can't wait to find out. Oh my gosh. You know what it smells like to me? Which I don't think I've had these in probably 20 years. The cinnamon graham crackers. The ones that had like the little cinnamon kind of coating. I remember not loving them because they had like kind of a rough texture when I was, you know, like an actual toddler. But the fact that I still remember, yeah, that's what this smells like. That is so funny. And then the packaging inside is just so pretty. It has a mirror here and it says hello gorgeous, and even the inside has the s'mores print with like gold detail. I just can't get over how pretty. And then the actual product in here is beautiful. This is like, oh my gosh, like the softest, butteriest highlighter I've ever felt, but a glistening white, a gold, and then the chocolatey brown contour shade. So the white, oh my gosh, such a beautiful bright white with like a gold kind of duochrome, oh my gosh. And then the gold, these are the highlight shades which have beautiful shimmer. Love that gold shade, so reflective. And then the contour shade, which is such a beautiful kind of warm chocolate brown. Wow, love this combo. I think this is also a gorgeous eyeshadow combo as well. So I'm gonna try this out on both my face and my eyes. And that brown contour shade is a matte shade. So, wow. I'm gonna go ahead and start out by adding some contour to my face. So I'm gonna pick up a fluffy angled brush and dip it into the brown shade, which is called chocolate, which is perfect because that really is the tone of brown that it reminds me of. And let's contour this face. Ooh, nice and buildable. Try not to go in with too much at first, but it is a very beautiful, buildable shade of chocolate brown, which means I can go in with a lighter amount for my fair skin, but for deeper skin tones, you can add more and it can get darker. So I like to also contour under my jaw. Chisel that out. Contour the other cheek. This really does apply so nicely. Super smooth and blendable. Just look at that contour. It seriously is like I added dimension to my cheek. And okay, I guess that's the point of contouring, but it just did it so nicely. It's such a perfect contour shade where I'm like, is that an actual shadow in my face or did I just apply some contour makeup there? And I guess that's the goal. Like, you want it to look like an actual contour to the face, and it really, really does. That is so cool. And then I also like to contour and kind of bronze up the top of my forehead. And I really like how that shade looks. To bronze up the skin and add some sun-kissed glow and effect. Wow. So bronzy, I love it. Okay, I love this contour. It looks so good. All right, now for the highlight. I'm like, which shade do I use? Do I use both? Do I use one? You know, I'm gonna go ahead and I like to apply these shimmery types of highlighters just directly with my finger. So I'm gonna start out by taking the gold. Let's see how that looks on the cheeks. Oh my gosh, that glow. Ooh, and super blendable. Wow, for a soft powder formula, it looks so smooth and melted into the skin. Like, it did not leave at all any sort of powder appearance. And I'm very surprised by that. I feel like these powdery types of highlighters always leave a powder appearance, but this looks like there's no product on my skin. It's an amazing texture and gorgeous glow. I love that this gold is so blendable that it suits my fair skin tone nicely, because usually gold tones like this are a little bit too dark and noticeable on my skin, like too much of a streak, but this just looks perfect. But now I'm also really excited to try out the white shimmer, which the gold one is called Graham Cracker and the white is called Marshmallow. So let's see how Marshmallow looks on my cheek. Ooh. Yes, so this one, even though it looks like a stark white here, it's actually so wearable on the skin because it has a gold duochrome reflection. And this one, once again, the powder formula just melts into the skin, and I can't help myself. I keep applying a lot of it, and it's so beautifully buildable, the most amazing texture. And actually, the two cheeks look very similar in the glow that they have because of the gold tone to the white highlight, which I don't even know which one I like more. I love both of them. Maybe on my skin tone, the white one just pops a little bit more, but I'm also in love with how the gold one looks. So maybe it just kind of depends on the rest of my makeup look. If I'm doing more of like a cool toned look, maybe I want to go with this side. If I'm doing more of like a warm tone look, go with this one, or just wear both, or one of each. Because either way, I love the highlighters. Oh my gosh, well, clearly this palette did not disappoint. I love the contour and I love the highlight, but I also am gonna play around with this on the eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the white shade called Marshmallow and do a little brow highlight. Ooh, yeah. Love how that looks, especially when it coordinates with the glow on my cheeks. So pretty. I'm also going to take the Marshmallow shade on my finger again and highlight the inner corner. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty on the inner corner. It just adds this golden light to the eye. I just love looking at the difference. This eye highlighted versus this eye. This eye just has like a light shining off of it. And I love to highlight this inner corner of my eye because I get dark kind of circles on the inside here of my eye, and this just really brings out my eyes more. And then for just 3 colors, there are actually a lot of different looks that I could do for my eye. But what I'm thinking is taking a crease brush. I'm gonna take the contour shade. Ooh, yeah. And even if I wasn't wearing eyeshadow, I could still just take this chocolate contour shade into my crease. And that's something I would do because I just love to throw a quick matte brown shade into my crease on an everyday basis. I think it really helps emphasize my eye shape. And that looks so good. And it blended out so nicely on the eye. I feel like it's the perfect crease shade. And by the way, I'm just using a Moda Pro BMX 430 crease brush. I want to shout out this brush because it is fantastic. And the combo of this brush with this contour chocolate shade is so perfect. This brush is just so soft on the eye, I love it. So I could totally stop here. I actually love this look as a go-to summer contour bronzy glow, even just with the little brown chocolate in the crease. I think I'm good to go, but I'm also just for the fun of it, I'm gonna pick up the gold shade with my finger and apply this all over the lid. I chose the gold just because I already put that white shimmer on the brow and the inner corner, but I could put the gold as my highlight and the white on the lid or both on the lid. You know, so like I said, so many different combos, but oh my gosh. Just a little pop of gold on the lid. Oh, I love it. Such gorgeous shine. And even though this does have that cinnamon graham cracker scent to it that I was talking about, I just want to call out, it is not strong at all. If you're sensitive to smells, I don't even think this would bother you, because if this had a strong smell and I was putting it on my eyes, it would definitely irritate my eyes, but it is not at all irritating. It's a very faint smell. Oh. I can't stop smiling. I love this look. I love this palette. Everywhere that I applied the product, it just looks so good. And basically, my face is completely covered in this product right now, and I love it. This is seriously a perfect travel palette because I can do my entire face, my contour, my highlight, and I can also do my eye look all from the same palette. So I absolutely love that, and I did it so quickly and easily. These just blend amazingly. I even used my finger for most of the application, so absolutely love this for travel. Absolutely love this in general. I highly recommend checking it out. All of the products I have tried out from Winky Lux so far have been so impressive, so I can't wait to try out more of the products that I got. If there are any products that I got in my unboxing video that you want to see reviews on first, definitely let me know in the comments down below and I will prioritize doing those reviews first. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.